The most southern island in Thailand is Ko Lipe, which is situated 60 kilometers from the mainland. It is well known among beach enthusiasts and is referred to as Thailand's Maldives. Numerous people and visitors from across the world visit the island each year in large numbers to take advantage of the island's sunny weather, blue oceans and pristine beaches. Koh Lipe's environment is not as exciting as Phuket, Koh Lipe or Krabi when compared to other well-known Thai islands like Koh Lipe. However, Koh Lipe has several wonderful features that set the island apart from the others. The tropical island is tranquil and exudes a laid-back atmosphere. Koh Lipe has white sand beaches, crystal clear oceans, stunning sunrises in the morning, and fantastic sunsets in the evening. Depending on your interest, Koh Lipe offers a variety of surfing activities and destinations that you might like to check out. One of Thailand's best kept secrets is Ko Lipe. Ko Lipe, which lies at the southernmost part of Andaman Sea, is where you might imagine your ideal Thailand island vacation. White sandy beaches and turquoise waters filled with aquatic life surround the tiny island. The ultimate island getaway, Ko Lipe, exudes a sense of seclusion and island charm. There are other little beaches and private beaches in addition to the three main beaches: Sunrise Beach, Sunset Beach and Pattaya Beach. Ko Lipe is also a developed, well-built island with all the amenities you require for a relaxing trip. On the island of Ko Lipe, there are a number of inexpensive hostels, hotels, and resorts that you can stay in. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Sunrise Beach is the ideal location to see the sunrise over Ko Lipe, as suggested by its name. The majority of the beachfront resorts are situated along this beach, which is the longest on Ko Lipe. Sunrise Beach is something we genuinely love. Sunrise is an especially beautiful time to visit the beach. Swimming, snorkeling, sunbathing, kayaking, or simply lounging on the beach are all enjoyable beach activities. At one of the peaceful, secluded hotels on Sunset Beach, you can take in the breathtaking vistas and the most beautiful sunsets. The tranquil island atmosphere of Sunset Beach will make you feel completely relaxed. You'll need around 15 minutes to get to the walking street from the site, which is a little away from the main action. Alternately, you may pay 50 baht for a little scooter ride. This stunning island paradise is a fantastic location for some easy to moderate trekking. There is a lot of animals to view, and the forest and seascape mix is lovely. One of the best hikes up is Shadow Cliff, which offers breathtaking views from the summit. Wear comfortable shoes because the 45-60 minute journey is very arduous and involves a steep ascent. The modest Hantali Buddhist temple is located in the middle of the island. On the route connecting Sunrise Beach and Sunset Beach, it is situated atop a hill in the jungle. Handley is tiny in comparison to some of the large, glistening gold temples that you would encounter in other regions of Thailand. There are only a few monks here, along with a lot of dogs and cats. There is a donation box which helps keep up the temple as well as take care of the animals, so give generously if you can.